During the chilling cold of winter, nature decided to give the Driftless region a welcome winter break. Birds of prey have become more visible. We see them nest building, and larger selections of open water bring more food opportunities. It's also a time to begin mating rituals. The legs extended on this red-tailed hawk is a mating ritual.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
For small feathered friends, it's the perfect time to clean off some of winter's dust. Life in the wild has more to sing about in milder temperatures. Larger waterfowl enjoy more open water options. There's a place I like to go when winter gives us a time of snow melting away. This valley area has only one access road, and it's gated closed in winter because the road is just too steep to plow. So a snowmelt allows easier access over the hills for a hike into this undisturbed land. With this remote valley left undisturbed by people for much of winter, the valley is a quiet paradise for a nesting pair of bald eagles. While a snowmelt helps eagles more easily find nesting materials, the warm spell is also enjoyed by the smallest of creatures. In this tiny, shallow brook, the sun shines on tiny, shrimp-like arthropods. These small creatures are known as scuds, and ask any trout, they'll make an ideal trout meal. The presence of these scud tell the story of the pristine condition of this remote water source. As the small creeks widen and deepen, they are home to fish sunning themselves in pools that are exposed to the sky. These fish are common suckers and colorful, beautiful brook trout. While deep winter cold allows the land to rest in dormancy, occasional periods of thaw renew our faith that life will once again flourish in the coming spring.